morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay safe, stay home. Okay, children. Now, welcome to the class of Hindi. Now, see, in previous classes I explained Barakadi in your classwork. No, we finished one Barakadi. We finish only one Barakadi. No, first page Varnamala over, second page Matrai over. No, second page Matrai over. Now here in this page we started to Barakadi. Okay, we started Barakadi. One Barakadi we finished. No, after this you are having so many lines here. Now what you have to do? You must have to leave a line, continue there. You have to leave a line and continue there. Okay, children? Now let us start the Barakadi. Ka after what is the letter? Kha. Kha. This is Mahapranaakshar. Vyanjanakshars Ka Barakadi over. Now I am going to explain Kha Barakadi. Kha means you have to keep your energy more there and to say the letter and Barakadi. Okay, children? Kha. Ka, ka and ha sound you have to mix there. It is easy. If you say this type. Kha. Okay, children? Kha. First, a did not have matra na, that's why. Kha, a ki matra, kha. Kha, a ki matra, kha. Then next, after that what you have to do? You have to give finger gap here. Then next, kha, choti e ki matra, khi. Kha and e, khi. Okay. Then next, give finger gap and write very neatly. You are writing with pens now. You have to write. You have to use pen in classwork. Okay. You have to use the pen in a classwork compulsory. Remaining diary and printed copy, small copy you have to write with the pencil. Okay. Kha, first e ki matra khi. Kha, body kha, second e ki matra khi. Second e is long vowel. Okay. Khi and e sound, both sounds. Khi. Then next, kha, u ki matra. Kha, first u ki matra khu. Okay. Then next, kha, second u ki matra khu. See, always we are using 1/3 of the line. 1/3 of the line. First e ki matra, it is coming outside of the lines. How I am explaining, you have to continue same like that. You have to copy like that only. Okay, children? Kha, ru ki matra, khru. Kha, ru ki matra, khru. If you won't have space here, what you have to do? You have to leave a line and write here. Continue in the next line. But you have to leave a line and continue. Then only your handwriting will look good. Understand, children? Then next, kha, ye ki matra. Kha, ye ki matra, khe. Kha and ye, khe. Kha sound, a sound. Then next, kha, I ki matra, khai. Kha and I, khai. Kha and I, khai. Then next, give finger gap. Always don't forget. Remember to give finger gap. Okay, children? Kha, o ki matra, kho. Kha and o. These are long vowels. Kha and o, kho. Then next, give finger gap. Then write kha, au ki matra. Kha and au, khau. Kha and au. Which sound it is? Au ki matra sound. Kha and au, khau. Then next, give finger gap. Kha and ki matra. Where you have to give ki matra? Only dot. Not zero. Okay, children? Small dot. See there where I gave the dot, there you have to give there only. Okay, children? Now after that, kha, aha ki matra, khaha. Only two dots and two small dots, not zeros. Okay? Kha, aha ki matra, khaha. Okay children, after writing this, what you have to do, you must have to write very neatly. After this you have to send to your class teacher group. Now you have to write a printed copy in previous class. Take out your printed copy after this. If you have any doubt related to this one, you have to see this video again and again. Okay children, now see here, printed copy second page over and third page over. Now what is the letter? Now next page is the fourth page. Here already written here how you have to start the letter and how you have to end the letter. Starting and ending it is given in first columns. You must have to write this one. First fill this one compulsory. Then only you know how to write these all dotted letters. Write this page and post to your concerned class teacher group. Now I am giving diary work. Note down the diary. Take out your diary and pencil. Okay. First day and date. Mention day and date compulsory. Then next Telugu. Then it is Hindi. Okay. First Telugu column. Then next Hindi. Then next Hindi line you have to write Hindi diary work. What I explained today, Kha Barakadi. No, you have to practice this Barakadi. Okay? Read and practice. Read and practice. Barakadi Kha. Okay. After writing this all the class work and the copy work. This all you must have to send to your concerned class teacher group. And if you want attendance, you must have to compulsory write this all the work in your class work. And what I am giving the work, you have to compulsory, you have to write and post to your concerned class teacher group. Thank you children.